Hello friends, today in this video we will talk about how you can import any MI home. Let's say you have a security camera, right? You have a security camera which you want to import that view in OBS Studio. So OBS Studio you can use, let's say if you wanted to, because we generally have webcam or inbuilt laptop camera which has a bit lower quality, around 720p. Most of the time we will get in our laptop. Sometimes we'll get full HD as well, but in most cases it will be a 720p uh, let's say resolution will get it, right? So we are not satisfied with that, and it doesn't look that much great. So here in this video we can use our MIHEM or home security camera or any other security camera which you opted for your home security, right? So that you can use it. You can import that view in OBS Studio. So how you can do that? So first of all, let's say I have a MI security camera with me, and I downloaded already the software in my home, which is there is application also available, and this is the desktop software which I have here and already downloaded. You can see that I downloaded and already I installed. So you can download from this link. You can just type mi home or mi home security camera, and you will go to this link. You will get this download option. You can download it and then install it. Once you install, then okay, you yeah, okay, then you can see that already I am using that camera over here. So I will close it and open it for you. So I will go to desktop, and you can see that ice cream screen recorder I am using, and this is the mi home security, let's say Xiaomi. This is the camera viewer, that is the application which we downloaded and installed, that you need to open it. Okay, and once you open it, it will give that view. It will load that view. So you can see that, right? Now it is, you are able to view that. uh, mm, and I can adjust. Let's say I wanted to position correctly in the middle, or whatever the way I wanted to, let's say put, I can kept it. And I can even use then background remover. Okay, so and I already shown you how you can do that. So this is the camera which we are using. Okay, and let's say if you want to import this view, then you need not to do much different thing, which you are doing from OBS Studio. So I will just open the OBS Studio now, and as we have this application running, right? And I can also go to, let's say, the window capture. Let's say I will create a new, let's say, scene, and then I will add window capture over here. I will add the source now. Let's say what source we have. So it is not showing that option. Let's see, we will try out some other option. Let me just check again. Okay, so now I am back. So you can see that I already added window capture, and there are, this is the Xiaomi camera viewer is also available. I can import that view, okay, and I can adjust that camera from here. Okay, and then I can do a crop and other stuff. So I wanted to remove this also, so I will do that. I will still maximize this, so I don't want to have this MI logo as well. So all these things I can do it. So it will only that angle whichever I want, that only will be visible. I can press okay. I can do cropping and other stuffs as well. Okay, so there are these are the steps you need to do, and that's all actually. Then you can use the background remover and other stuffs like that easily, and that will work. That there is no problem with that. Okay, I will just show you. I will just go to camera view now, so you can see that I am using my Xiaomi camera only. So camera, I will open that, and you can see that this is the Xiaomi camera, and the same thing I am using now. Okay, so you can use this. That's all for this video. Have a good day, and